I'm Nick Hamman, and many people say the best meat in the world is either in South Africa or Argentina. So what better place to come to try it than an Argentinian restaurant in Johannesburg, South Africa? This is Che Grill. Come and take a look at why people say it's the best Argentinian food in the country.
We came to the restaurant on a Wednesday night, a special day in the week which they call ASADO Night. On these nights, they serve traditional Argentine meals, lamb, chicken, and short ribs cooked on the spit. Chef John Aguirre showed me around.
Every Wednesday for the special, whereby it's comprised of the short ribs, the chicken, the red cabbage, as well as the lamb. We grill this whole process as early as 11:30 in the morning. It's a slow cook, smoked, a little some heat.
So this is all just fire cooking,
This is fire quickly, we cut it up.
This is amazing, man. This is incredible.
So we cut this, we cut the cotija from there, we bring it here to maintain the temperature.
Okay.
When you cut, we put it there on an Argentinian plate where they call it a parrillada.
Okay.
We put some charcoal to maintain the heat.
Okay, all right.
From there, I'll take this, I put on top.
Chaos.
The person who's in the bus is Bernardo. He's the man in charge today who's going to run the bus and is going to cut all the whole process. I'll give you short ribs. Now he's cutting into thin slices which are eatable, which then goes to the customers.
You can feel the adrenaline in this
You see.
And it's, we're not even busy yet, right?
Exactly. Two thin slices of pineapple. That's it. Now he's putting in the oven. Was by the process was cutting through, the temperature decreases down. So I put here for a few seconds.
Gorgeous.
Done. It's ready for going out for the table.
Co-owner Bernardo Corti found a few minutes in between running a very busy kitchen to tell us how he and Oscar Feraldo started Che from humble beginnings.
Well, Che started the 15th of May, it's going to be 10 years. So we started in Mabonen, selling the empanadas, Argentinian pie, and we started also with the sandwiches, with beef sandwich and pork belly sandwiches. So selling in the market every Sundays. After a while, we opened the restaurant after that.
So what have we got here?
Here we have, it's a parrillada to share for 2 people, and we have some lamb that we were cooking for 4 hours, and then we have the short ribs that is cooking also 4 hours, and our chicken also that is also for 4 hours. So everything is a very small cook, slow fire, coming very tender, coming smoky, coming very nice. It's another way to eat, you know. One thing is to eat a prime rib or a fillet or one short rib, and this is another way. This is how we eat in the farm.
Look at that,
Some chimichurri on top also.
Yes. What does it take to run a place like this? A lot of work, right?
It's a lot of work. Yeah, it's a lot of work, but if you like, it's not a problem. When you like what you do,
It's too good.
bueno. Excellent. I'm happy that you like it, that you enjoy.
I love it. What kind of meat is that?
This is a leg lamb.
Why did you come to South Africa?
I came to South Africa from Mexico. I used to live in Mexico City. I came with an ex-wife. Okay, so we came together to South Africa. This is why I came to South Africa.
Okay, for love.
I'm still here,
You're still here.
but I have a new girlfriend now.
Okay.
It's not the same girlfriend.
What do you think makes Argentinian food so well renowned?
I think we are very famous because the meat. We have a very good meat. Yeah.
Good quality.
And good quality. Also, Francis Malman make Argentina very famous, I think, in terms of food.
And you find in South Africa the quality of meats is also very good?
100%, very nice.
Yes.
Everything, the best. We have very nice quality of all the products. Beef, chicken, lamb, pork, everything, very nice product.
I still think this has got to be one of the best restaurants in South Africa. It is.
Excellent.
Yeah, fantastic.
Thank you, Nick, so much for coming and to join with us and to show Che to the people.
My pleasure. My pleasure. Thank you.
No, thank you.
So we're here on literally the busiest night of the week, which is why Bernardo has had to actually run away. I saw one of the other managers going, come now, so he's run off. But he's left me here with all this meat, which I'm not complaining about. So this is beef straight off the grill. I'm not kidding when I say this might be the best meat in South Africa. Definitely the best Argentinian I've ever had in my entire life, including when I was in South America. I wish you could smell this through the camera. I'm going to taste it for you right now. Chimichurri on top of that. It's stupidly good. Like, too good. Next up, I'm going to try some chicken. You've seen how it was made, but let's see how it tastes. So remember, this food is cooking as we go, meaning to say that it's pretty much as hot now as it was while it was still very much under fire. Look at that, man. Oh my gosh. Cheers. It should be illegal for food to taste this good. You've got South African meat, which I will fight anybody who doesn't agree is the best quality meat in the world, made by a culture of people who have just figured out how to do it right. What I have in my hands is a short rib, slow cooked for over a day. Smells like heaven. I bet it's just going to fall apart when I put it into my mouth, which I'm not going to be shy about, so enjoy this. I could cry. Honest to God, there's so much texture and care in the flavors that I'm getting out of this. It's not just a piece of meat. It's a work of art. This is a fantastic, fantastic rib. This animal did not die in vain. I'm going to give this a taste. It's a revolution. The sweetness of the pineapple, the smoke of the smoke, and that meat infused in a not overpowering, still subtle, but super noticeable way. I could eat this whole pineapple very easily. The heat of the kitchen in full effect behind me, I'm definitely in the way, but that brings to an end another great episode of Hammy Eats. Everybody deserves to treat themselves to Che at least once in their life. This was culinary magic. Make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.